Hi, I'm Jay. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to tell you about the most profitable means of investment and active income available to you today. It is common knowledge that money is an important source that directly affects the quality and comfort of our individual lives. In short, the more money you have, the more you can afford. That's why for the best possible life, we must use the most effective and qualitative options for investment and active income. Today, the most promising and fast expanding market is the industry of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital shares and tokens of IT startups. Basically, one unit of cryptocurrency is called a digital coin. The difference between digital shares and stocks, which are common to us, is high volatility. High yields are to be expected from cryptocurrencies. For example, let's have a look at how the prices of the shares of Coca-Cola have changed over the past 3 years. In 2015, you could have bought Coca-Cola shares for $4.50 and now sell them for $46. Over 3 years, you would have earned 13.5% of the profit, or would have increased your fund by 0.13 times. Not so great after all. And now let's give a thorough look at the Binance coin over the last year. In 2017, you could have bought Binance coin for 10 cents. In 2018, you could have sold Binance coin for $13.50. That is a yield of 13,500% per annum. That is a 135 times increase in capital. As a result, we've earned 13.5% over a period of 3 years on the shares of the giant Coca-Cola and 13,500% over 1 year on cryptocurrency. Conclusion: the investment on cryptocurrency would have allowed you to increase your funds 3 times faster and 100 times more profitable. And yet, this is not the brightest example. However, it's a perfect instance how to make money on cryptocurrency in a quick, profitable, and easy way. Obviously, as cryptocurrencies are digital stocks and tokens of startups, their value grows with business development. Thus, the earlier you buy cryptocurrency of a prospective business, the cheaper it will cost you, and the more you will earn. A reasonable question arises: when is a profitable time to invest in cryptocurrency? There is an answer. In the world of cryptocurrency, there is such a phenomenon as ICO. ICO is a primary offering of digital business coins. With the help of ICO, you can buy tokens at the lowest price and make excellent money for its further implementation. According to the statistics, the rate of return of an investment on ICO varies on average from 300% to 1,000% per annum. The main rule is to select the most promising ICO in a very careful way, to analyze the business that will develop and provide the growth potential for its coins. One of the most promising events of the current period is the ICO of Golden Island. Golden Island is the largest association of private investors, which includes a multifunctional training platform and services for business automation and promotion. Over 7 years, the company has achieved significant results. We're now working with 27,000 customers. We offer 12 products and services. We now have 26 highly qualified specialists. We offer 8 financial training courses and many other achievements that make Golden Island the #1 brand among associations developing in the field of investment trends. To put it simple, becoming a customer of Golden Island, anyone can learn how to invest, create passive income, and start earning on the internet. Among the products and services of Golden Island, there is absolutely everything that is necessary for high-quality financial growth and personal development. Golden Island is a complex of solutions that changes people's lives for the better. That's why the brand is in constant demand and successfully progresses year by year. At the present moment, Golden Island is entering a new level of development focusing on the scaling of existing businesses, as well as the implementation of new directions. For the fastest and best achievement, Golden Island conducts ICO, and you have a unique opportunity to make money on this event. What's more, you could do both to generate passive income and get rewarded for your effort. Passive income of ICO Golden Island is an investment in the acquisition of GIT tokens. Return on investment in GIT on the minimum projection varies from 400% to 1,500 per annum. That means that every $100 you invest in GIT tokens within a year can grow to the equivalent of $400 to $1,500. This is an excellent number, and in addition to the reputation of the Golden Island brand itself, there are several reasons why the GIT token will constantly grow in price. Let's consider the main reason why you will earn on the growth of the GIT token. All investors have the same conditions. All GIT tokens have the same price, and no token will go to anyone free of charge. Moreover, at the end of the ICO, all 10 million released tokens will be redistributed. The initial price of the token will be calculated as the monetary sum collected in the ICO process divided by 10 million GIT. For example, if in the ICO process $5 million are collected, then the initial price of the token will be $5 million divided by 10 million GIT equals $0.5 or 50 cents. Consequently, if you invest $300 in the ICO process, then at the end of the crowd sale, you will receive $300 divided by $0.5 equals 600 GIT tokens. As you see, all GIT tokens will go to each investor at a single price. Obviously, when you enter the stock exchange, everybody will strive to sell a token at a higher price, which creates profit. The growing yield of GIT token. The GIT token creates a condition for share participation in certain areas of Gold Island. In short, Gold Island will create new businesses, the profit from which will be distributed amongst investors in these areas. Simply saying, having GIT tokens will allow you to become co-owners of Gold Island businesses. It is understood that in the process of scaling, the value of the shares of developing businesses always increases and provides a progressive benefit for their holders. That is to say that the participation function naturally will lead to a rise in the price of the token, which in turn will bring you additional profit. The growing demand for the GIT token. Having GIT token gives you the right to purchase goods and services from all businesses of Golden Island at a discount of up to 50%. The obvious financial benefit increases the interest of new and existing customers to this digital asset. Let's have a look at a simple example. Golden Island possesses several products and services of varying value. All of them are in great demand. At the end of the ICO, the client will have a choice either to purchase, let's say X product for $2,000, or pay GIT tokens and purchase it with a 50% discount, which is equivalent to $1,000. It is obvious that it is more profitable for a client to buy from you GIT tokens worth $1,000 and then buy the product at half price. And it doesn't matter at what price you will sell your tokens. Since a transaction is connected to a specific dollar price of the product, both parties benefit. And as you know, high demand always raises the cost of supply. And this is another reason why you will make money on GIT investments. The growing liquidity of the GIT token. The GIT token is the fully secured unit of the entire economy of Golden Island. It could always be exchanged into products and services of the brand, which means it has high liquidity. that grows as the assortment of Golden Island expands. The roadmap for development of the Golden Island brand assumes the opening of more than a dozen directions, products and services in the next 18 months where the GIT token will also be applied. It is known that the more options for the use of an asset, the higher the demand for it. And the increased demand in turn allows you to earn on the growth of the coin value. Growing speculative interest. In any industry, there are people who are eager to buy something cheap and then resell it at a higher price. These people are so-called speculators. In finance, this is considered positive. In this case, there are cryptocurrency investors who buy up the most promising tokens and try to sell them at a higher price. And it is logical that they are attracted by the GIT token. After all, we are aware that according to minimal estimates, it has a growth potential of 400% to 1,500 per annum. That is why, alongside with those who are interested in GIT within the Golden Island brand, there are a lot of people who consider this cryptocurrency as profitable investment that will necessarily grow in value and bring everyone the desired profit. The growing economy of GIT. Token GIT is the basis of the economy of the whole infrastructure of Golden Island, which already includes several independent businesses and involves global scaling according to the roadmap. And it is quite logical that the rate of the unit is constantly growing as the possibilities for its application expands. What's more, some modules of Golden Island infrastructure will be available exclusively to holders of GIT tokens. It accounts a number of advantages that stimulate the demand for a token, which means it allows you to earn on the growth of its value. The growing shortage of GIT tokens. It should be noted that GIT tokens, with the help of which Golden Island products and services are purchased, will be withdrawn from the general turnover. For example, if out of 10 million existing GITs, 2 million tokens will be spent by customers for brand services, then in total there will be 8,000 GITs in turnover. This means that the market will constantly create a GIT deficit, which will also stimulate the growth of the value of the token. And as it has been mentioned, increasing the cost of GIT always leads to an increase in our profits. Actually, now we have analyzed 7 reasons why you will earn on the growth of the cost of GIT. Number 1, equal conditions for all investors. Number 2, growing yield of the GIT token. Number 3, growing demand for the GIT token. Number 4, the growing liquidity of the GIT token. Number 5, growing speculative interest in the GIT token. Number 6, the growing economy of the GIT token. And number 7, the growing shortage of GIT tokens. So, a profitability of 400 up to 1,500% is a real opportunity which shouldn't be missed. The time is now. And now, one more advantage of the given crowd sale. The Golden Island brand allows its customers to earn even before the actual GIT tokens purchasing. In fact, one of the tools for promoting ICO GIT is a generous partnership program within which you can receive up to 25% of the commission from your structure investments. We see no reason to spend huge amounts of money on advertising campaigns and believe that it is much more appropriate to allocate funds from marketing to those who are really efficient at promoting the ICO GIT. That's why the referral ICO GIT program gives you the opportunity to earn from your structure to 8 levels in depth. The key indicator for determining the level of amounts of rewards are your status. The status depends on your personal investment as well as on the turnover of investment in your structure. For example, if the amount of your investment in the ICO GIT process equals $5,000 and the turnover of your structure equals $50,000, you will receive up to 10% of partner commission for 8 levels in depth. By the way, the reward is paid in the currency in which your partner's investments are made. This is to say, if you are a gold status partner and your client is the first line invested $1,000, you will receive a reward of $1,000 times 10%, which is equal to $100. As you can see, Golden Island ICO allows you not only to provide yourself with a high passive income through the acquisition of GIT tokens, but also to get unlimited active income with the help of the partnership crowd sale program. That's the very reason why Golden Island ICO is not just a promising crowd sale. Golden Island ICO is an opportunity to improve your living standards. So don't waste your precious time. Invest in GIT tokens and start earning on ICO right now.